Hi, this is Linda, and I want to talk to you about adding and removing books from your Author Central page. There seems to be some confusion. I've had a lot of messages and emails about it, so I just wanted to make a quick video that everybody can watch, and that way, if maybe this will help understand how to do it, because it's easier probably for me to just show you than to explain it via email or text or instant messenger or on Facebook. So here we go. I'm logged into my personal author page on Amazon.com. If you don't have one, then you can probably Google how to create an Author Central page on Amazon. Hopefully everybody has one. If you don't, I really would like you to create one. It shouldn't take very long. But you can, you put your bio, your photo, you can upload book trailer videos, some other things. You can customize your URL to make it nice and easy to remember, and then you can share that if you want. So I'm not going to go into all of that with this video. We're just going to talk about adding and deleting books. Now, the thing with the Mantle Rock Publishing books, if there are any of yours still in the Author Central, then they're not supposed to sell the new ones from Mantle Rock legally. So I don't know what they're going to do with those, if they're going to destroy them or what they're going to do. But the other thing is, if there's used books, you're not going to get sales credit on it. So you want to make sure that the links that you have in your Author Central page are the correct links, so you will get sales credit. Because if somebody clicks on your name and goes to look at all of your books, then you want to make sure that you're getting the right books credit for them. So I'm just going to open up one of these in a new tab, and then I'll show you how to check and see if you have the proper book in your account. So this is a book right here is the ISBN for this book. So if I want to make sure that I have the right ISBN, I sent you all links in the private area of our website. So you can go there. Let me just show you that real quick if you're not sure how to do that. You can log in right here at author login, and then there's author area content. And so when you click on that, then you can just go to the author area directory after you've logged in, and here's the member directory, and like this is me with my silly face right here. If I have private content, I'll have an icon right here that will show that I have private content, and then I can click on that, and I have shared with you all your links to your books. So that's how you find out where your book links are. But they're really easy. I made them all the same. It's Scrivenings dot link and then slash the name of your book. I'll just do something really easy because Colorblind is one of Amy's books. So then when I click on, wait just a minute, it did a search for that. So I paste that actually in the browser and then go here, not in the search bar, sorry. And that goes straight to here, and you can look at this and say, it's Scrivenings Press, and here is the ISBN. So I'm going to copy this ISBN because I'm going to show you how to search for a book. So when we get here and we're in the books tab, it says, are we missing a book? If you've written a book that's not here, so suppose you've checked and you found out that this is not the one that you did. So you can click on add more books, and then you copy this, paste in the ISBN for the Scrivenings edition and click go. And then right here, it'll display that. Now you can click over here and look in the link and make sure if you want to double check, and it'll say yes, it's Scrivenings Press, because if you don't have the correct one, then I can't pay you if you make sales. So you click on this is my book. Now I'm not going to do that. Obviously this is Amy's book, so I'm not going to do that with her book, but that's how you add a book. So now if you want to remove a book, you go to here, and just a minute, I just read about how to do this, but I've not done it before. Okay, under my books, you go to the Contact Us page. I'm sorry, I had to go back and refresh my memory because I haven't done this before. So you look down here, there's Contact Us, and then you make a selection, and you want to talk about my books. And then another selection is remove a book. And then you can explain why you want the book removed. It's either I didn't write this book or other, and you can just say this has been unpublished by the publisher or something like that. And then just click on email, and they're going to respond to you. So that's how you remove the books from your library, because you can just say, this book has been replaced with a new, been republished or something. I don't know how you can word it however you want, just to let them know that you don't want to have be confusing to readers with multiple links to choose from in your Author Central area. And that's how you add a book. That's how you request to have a book removed. And if you have any other questions, and also that's how you find your custom links in your private content area. But really, there's two ways to do the links. Every one of them are, it's scrivenings.link, and then the name of your book, like we did colorblind, or if it's the Kindle, just the name of your book, and there's no spaces, no underscores, no hyphenations, no no apostrophes. It's just all lowercase. This is case sensitive. So, and then if it's the Kindle, just add the word Kindle after that, and then boom, it goes straight over to here. So just that's just super easy for everybody to remember. Scrivenings.link / the name of your book, and it's all lowercase, or the name of your book with the word Kindle, also all lowercase, and it's just all together, no punctuation. So I hope that explains everything to everybody, and I'm going to sign off now. Everybody have a blessed day.